from a new poem about Robert Burns to one of Burns' own poems. Davie Kerr is going to give us this poem, Reserved for Honest Poverty. And I was reading an article just last week by an MSP, I can't mind who it was now, but it doesn't really matter. And he was talking about when this poem, well, it's actually a song, when it was sang at the opening day of the Scottish Parliament. And what he said was there wasn't a dry evening in the house. So, Davie, is there for honest poverty?
It's quite popular this year, and you've probably all heard it. Well, you have all heard it as a song, but I think as a poem, it's great to hear it said as a poem. You can then sort of concentrate on the words, and, you know, don't be distracted with the tune. Is there for honest poverty? Is there for honest poverty that hangs his head and all that? The court slave we passing by, we don't prepare for all that. For all that and all that, their toils obscure and all that. The rank is but the guinea's stamp, the man's the gown for all that. What though on hamely fare we dine, we're hodden grey and all that. Ye fools their silks and knaves their wine, a man's a man for all that. For all that and all that, there's tinsel show and all that. The honest man who wears the pair is kingman for all that. You see on Bathgate, God a Lord, with struts and stairs and all that. Though hundreds worship at his word, he's but a coof for all that. For all that and all that, his ribbon store and all that, the man no independent mind, he looks and laughs at all that. A prince can make a belted knight, a marquis, duke and all that, but an honest man's abin his mate, get faith we manna for that. For all that and all that, their dignities and all that, the pith o' sense and pride o' worth, are higher rank and all that. Then let us pray that, come it may as come it will for all that sense and worth o'er all the earth shall bear the gree and all that. For all that and all that, it's coming yet for all that man to man the world o'er shall brothers be for all that.
Davie Kerr there.